Hello. In this video, I will show you how to add photo in Word document. Now, it's a very easy process and there are two ways how you can do this. So the first and the easiest way is you simply drag and drop your photo directly onto the Word document and that will add your photo. Then you can change the placement on your own, just like that. So that's the first option. Now, the second option is go to the insert panel over here, then click on the pictures option. Then you will have option of stock images, online pictures, and this device. So just simply choose. So just simply choose from where exactly do you want to get the picture. Then just simply choose that location. So for example, if you choose this device, then just simply go to that particular location where you have your image. Then click on it and click on insert. That will insert your image. And after that, you will have few modifications that you can do on that image, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.